viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am bringing you a very delicious recipe of chicken tikka biryani. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make chicken tikka biryani, here I've got chicken cut into curry pieces. The spices I'm going to use are 1 teaspoon red chilies, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 2 tablespoons of chicken tikka masala, salt according to your taste, and some orange color. Also, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon each of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of yogurt, lemon juice and oil. Next step is to simply add in all these spices. Yogurt, ginger garlic paste, mix it well. The marination of the chicken. So after marinating it, I'm going to leave it in the fridge for about an hour, at least an hour or so. You can also leave it overnight for best results. So I've mixed the ingredients well in the chicken. Next I'm adding in is some oil. This is the process of marination, and some lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've got oil in the pan and I'm going to add all the onions and golden brown them. Next I'm adding in the tomatoes and let it cook for a few minutes. I'm going to make the puree of onions and tomatoes. In pan I'm going to cook the puree. I'm boiling water, and in the water I've added bay leaves, green cardamom, star anise, cloves, black pepper and cinnamon stick, and I'm also going to add some salt and oil and let it boil. So I would say 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. This chicken for half an hour at 180 degrees. Let's have a look at the chicken. So the chicken looks fine. Let's take it out. And here I've started to cook rice. So I'm keeping an eye on it. It shouldn't be overcooked and it shouldn't be undercooked. Okay, so rice are done. Let me show you कि कैसे होने चाहिए. So when you take them out, you check them. Oops, they're hot. तो बहुत कच्चे भी नहीं है और बहुत पक्के भी नहीं है. So that means they are done. We are going to rinse it now. So here I've rinsed the rice and now I'm going to start layering it. So in the tomato puree, I'm adding the chicken. On low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes, and now I'm going to add in the lemon wedges and green chilies. Cook for another couple of minutes. The masala for biryani is ready, and next I'm going to give cold smoke. So I'm using this small bowl and I'm going to put coal in this and a bit of oil on top, and immediately cover the lid of the pan and leave it for 5 minutes. Have a look. It smells so nice. Now I'm going to start layering the biryani. First layer is of chicken masala, and then the second layer is going to be rice. On the top I'm going to add green coriander, mint and some more green chilies. So added some orange color. Now I'm going to add some kewra water. Lastly, some garam masala and 2 tablespoons of oil. Deegchi with a piece of cloth, and now I'm going to leave it on slow flame for 10 to 15 minutes.